Hello everybody. The biggest challenge today, teaching from home, conducting online lectures on laptop through Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, is we are missing the blackboard, we are missing the smart board, we are missing the technology. The VC softwares are made for meeting purpose, not for teaching purpose. So how to create a classroom setup at home? Many of us, we don't have the projector. Today we go to take a projector, it will take 30,000 rupees for the projector, or we take a smart board also, it will take around 35,000. So no need of projector, no need of smart board. Your existing TV, LCD TV, LED TV can turn into a interactive whiteboard. So I have got a Sony LCD TV at my home. It's a decade old. So just by mounting Iris, which converts any surface into interactive, it has made this interactive. Interactive means you can control all the PC application. I've connected my laptop to the TV through HDMI. You can control the PC operations directly from the TV. No need to go to the laptop. And now the biggest advantage is for teaching numericals, maths, many subjects where writing is required. So conducting the PPT lectures were not that effective. So now your TV will become a board whereby you can teach mechanics, maths, geometry very easily. Keep on opening pages, keep on writing, and also you can have the graph paper and all those things instantly, and you can conduct a lecture. So what you need to do when you conduct a lecture on Google Meet or Zoom, you need to share your screen, and this will be seen by the student. Whatever you write here can be seen by the student at the other end. You can also record lectures like Khan Academy. This interactive software is very user friendly. So if you don't want to conduct online lectures, you can record the lectures on this interactive software. Recording is also very simple, just like mobile phone recording. Just need to hit the red dot, give the name of the topic which you are teaching, and recording is activated. So if I write some formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square, it's getting recorded. I can keep on opening the pages, keep on writing. So it's creating a recorded lectures like Khan Academy. This software is very much powerful. So suppose we require images, I just need to click on the typing pen and write the topic. This is a content fetching software. So it will type, and I just need to drag into this intelligent box. In fraction of seconds, I'll get images of human heart. I can pull out the image and I can start explaining. So for more details, kindly contact us on 98201 20271. Thank you.